Hello, I'm Barbara J. Graham, abstract expressionist painter, and today I've got a new camera angle. Hello! Sexy. So I'm going to keep things simple and just do something in my sketchbook today. I've been doing some other painting, I've got some colours already mixed up. I'm just going to crack on and see what comes out on the page. Where are some of those water-soluble pastels? Okay. That's such a pretty colour. Right. I'm obsessed with an S at the moment. There we go. Okay, got my dark down. I'm sort of doing an S composition. I don't want to go too much because now I'm going to get lots of those pale shades in, and if I have too much dark paint on the page, it makes it really difficult because then it just gets really muddy. Let's get some of that pink. Ooh, too much, too much, too much. Too much. It's an absorbent page. Right. I was hoping for more orange than pink. There we go. There we go. Oh, pretty. Pretty. Cover up that bright red. The great thing about working in a sketchbook is that if it's terrible, you can just shut it and hide it away and no one need ever see it. Except for the fact that you're watching it now, which kind of defeats that point. So, yeah, trying not to feel too self-conscious about possibly making a god-awful mess. I'm just trying to cover the surface as quickly as possible and then I'll go back in and try and sort it out. Nothing is looking like I was hoping. You know what, I'm going to not worry about the composition and I'm just going to enjoy the different marks I can make. Actually, that's right. I don't want too much. It's sort of got this S shape and something going on there. I don't want it to get too busy. If I start to have lots of little marks, it starts to feel a bit tight. contrived. I might just want a little bit more red happening here. Just at the moment it feels like two different pages. Don't want anything too strong. And she messes it up. Something pinky there. There we go. There we go. Actually, that's right. Pretty satisfying. Well, that's all come together sort of perfectly imperfect. I mixed up the colour palette earlier because I have done a free tutorial about colour mixing. So if you are enjoying the way I use colour, then click the link in the description, I guess. It'll be there, won't it? Click the link in the description and you can get access to my free colour mixing tutorial, which will be launching at the beginning of February. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and see you again soon.